Okay, so here's the story. Some of you have had problems turning in your wakelet link. Like I don't know if it's the settings or the link or how you did it. So let's try this. I have like a plan B. So then you can just type that you turned it in or we'll check it off. The important part is not that it's like an assignment and then it's checked off in the gradebook. Actually, the important part is that you're sharing the research with me so that I can see it. So we're kind of like a team and that you're sharing it with your fellow classmates on Friday. So that's kind of the big thing. So here's the deal. I showed you in class to go up to that share button. And right now my collection is private. As soon as I hit share, it said that it was private. I want to change my privacy settings to unlisted, so only people with the link can see the collection. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I copy this exact link. Okay, so right now I just copied it to my clipboard. The other thing that you can do is you can do that, okay? Because if you give me the link from up here at the top and your privacy settings are still set, I will not be able to see that, okay? So that was the first way how you could do it and then turn it in as a URL. Here's option number 2. You can go ahead and, let me do share. Hang on, sorry, wrong one. Invite. So you can invite me to contribute, so that way I can just see, right? You can do all of those things. So if you want to invite me to contribute, you're going to go via shareable link or code, or here's the easy part, because you guys all know my email because you've emailed me, hey, this isn't working. Let's go to via email, and I'm going to share this like a fake one with you guys. So I'm going to say, I have to share it with somebody that I know because shoot, I don't know your emails right off the top of my head, but you can see that I kind of have other people. So let me see, who can I share it with? I'm going to just share it with, I'm going to share it with Mrs. Luby because I know her email because it doesn't pre-populate. And mine is, and then it says about the email is valid. So now what's going to happen, she's going to get an email saying, hey, so-and-so has shared it with you, right? And here's the best part of that right here. If you look here, it will show me that I can edit it or you can make it locked. It's up to you, but just send it to me so I can see what you're doing. The other cool thing is if you invite me, then what happens is if I find cool stuff, I can like throw it on there and give it to you. So it kind of becomes like a landing page where we can start to share things that I find, or if I have a question for you, I can like put it there and be like, hey, what about this? So that's kind of my 2 cents worth on how to share it. The biggest thing is have it done for Friday sharing. That's the big thing. We're going to start off with that. And then we're also going to share out your 2 things that you thought that you wanted to work on based on that article that I gave you. Okay. And if you're not comfortable talking and sharing all of that, you also can like screen record yourself and do it that way with Screencastify. So if that's something that you want to do and you just want to play the video instead of talking through things, let me know if like that's your jam. I think we all have a lot to learn from each other. So I think that's why I'm doing it. And we're kind of a small group. So I look forward to hearing and seeing what you got for me.